In this video, I will show you how to delete Uber Eats account. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over right here to our account option. Now, once we're in here, the next thing we need is to just scroll down to this page. And then from in there, you can see this manage Uber account. Now that we have this, next thing is to just go right here to your security. And then you can change up your passkeys as well as social apps and connected. You also go right here to the privacy and data, and then you can take control on this privacy center. Once you're in here, you can just scroll down from there, and then you can see in here your account deletion. So click on this account deletion right here, and then as you can see, it will ask you first to verify your identity. Click on the accept option, and then just enter in here your phone number, email that you're actually using on your Uber Eats. And then once you have entered that, they will ask for your verification code, and you should be able to push through with it. So that's how you delete Uber Eats account. I hope this video helped you out.